The following figure shows the relationship between the crank angle and pressure change inside the cylinder by the combustion. The maximum pressure is reached in very short time on the diesel engine after the fuel injection, ignition, and flame propagation. However, the crankshaft is rotated by a significant angle during that time, which makes the combustion process more important. The graph shows that it takes time before the fuel is vaporized to reach the ignition temperature. Therefore, the fuel is not ignited immediately, although the fuel injection starts at point A. The period for points A to B is called the ignition delay period. When the fuel ignites at point B, it combusts rapidly. The combustion reaches its maximum pressure at point C and ends at point D.